up, guys? So today my dad just bought one of those eco-friendly, those really old school, like decades old hand-powered mowers that doesn't use any electricity or gas. It just runs on human power. And he got it for like 30 bucks off of those Facebook marketplaces from like a guy, town over, like 10 minutes away. So I'm gonna test it out and let you know what I think. All right, here we go. Okay. You have to go over the same spot like 3 times. Yeah. This darn leaf. The verdict is that it is a tiresome machine to use because you have to push it, and the faster you push it, the better it cuts the grass, meaning that if you're slow with it, it barely cuts the grass. Yeah. So if you like exercise, I guess if you have a small plot of land, go for it. But if you don't have a small plot of land, I guess you need a whole weekend day to cut all of your grass, and you need to be jogging while cutting your grass. That's pretty much it. The trade-offs of trying to be eco-friendly.